Cabo San Lucas is located at the tip of the Baja Peninsula and is the ultimate vacation town. It's literally Land's End, where the Sea of Cortez meets with the Pacific Ocean, and has incredible weather, great beaches, terrific shopping and dining, and sizzling nightlife. RIU owns two magnificent all-inclusive resorts here, the luxurious RIU Palace Cabo San Lucas and the Hotel RIU Santa Fe. They sit directly across from the famous Los Cabos Arch on one of the most beautiful beaches on the Baja Peninsula. This is the RIU Palace Cabo San Lucas, and the name definitely fits because it feels just like a grand beachfront palace. It's one of the brightest stars in the RIU collection and sets a whole new standard for all-inclusive resorts.
The RIU Palace Cabo San Lucas is one of the most impressive hotels in Los Cabos, and it has a beautiful design. There are gorgeous views of the sea from almost anywhere at our resort, and it's ideal for the more sophisticated upscale travelers.
The resort boasts 642 luxurious guest rooms with great amenities, lots of room to relax, and of course, breathtaking views. All rooms feature the renowned RIU minibar and liquor dispenser, and many suites have hydro massage tubs and jacuzzis right on the terrace.
Our resort is so special. The most people can't believe that it's an all-inclusive. Guests can enjoy unlimited food and drinks, great activities, and wonderful accommodations for one incredible price.
This is the ideal property for a tropical getaway. Discerning travelers love that they can enjoy fantastic water sports, a gorgeous beach, and several sparkling pools. There are also great land sports and planned activities throughout the day. The design of the RIU Palace Cabo San Lucas is brilliant. We loved the tropical garden vibe, where everything seems to flow right to the sea. And some of the architectural elements are absolutely splendid. Plus, the fact that there is water everywhere you look makes for a very relaxing vacation. And the amenities are simply superior. It's the perfect spot for an unforgettable wedding and honeymoon, or to hold any mid-size event. The resort boasts state-of-the-art facilities, and the service is first class all the way. One of my favorite things about the resort is their world-class Renova Spa. They offer a wide range of creative treatments for total relaxation and boast a highly rated salon as well. We were very impressed with the dining options at RIU Palace Cabo San Lucas. They have a restaurant for any appetite, and the food is to die for. Our favorite spots were Masaki Japanese Restaurant, where you'll find some of the best sushi on the Baja Peninsula, and the brand new cutting-edge Crystal, which serves up haute cuisine in an exquisite environment based on 4th century decor. And they have a great authentic Mexican restaurant that is truly romantic, with some pretty amazing views of the sea. But to be honest, even the buffets here are outstanding, including their fabulous spread for breakfast. And because this is a 24-hour haven, nights at the resort are a blast. They have several bars to enjoy, and the scene is always lively, including their very fun Pacha nightclub, where you can dance the night away. Plus, the entertainment is spectacular. And because the resort is all-inclusive, you can enjoy it all. For an unforgettable vacation at one of the most sophisticated upscale resorts at Land's End, be sure to visit the all-inclusive RIU Palace Cabo San Lucas. Luxury at its finest. Located right next door to the RIU Palace Cabo San Lucas is one of the group's hottest new properties, the beachfront RIU Santa Fe. This phenomenal all-inclusive resort boasts all the great amenities you'd expect from a RIU resort, has a very stylish Santa Fe look, and is a true tropical paradise.
The Hotel RIU Santa Fe is the ideal resort for a family vacation, a romantic getaway, or a corporate retreat. People who enjoy outdoor activities love this property because there's so much to do here. There are lots of sports and entertainment options. This is a 24-hour resort, and we have everything you will possibly need to enjoy Cabo.
There are so many things to enjoy about Hotel Rio Santa Fe that your only trouble will be deciding where to start. You can hang out on the amazing beach, soak up the Cabo rays at their fabulous pools, or take part in fun sports and activities. And of course, you can visit their top-notch spa and be pampered beyond your wildest dreams. There's also a great kids club with tons for the little ones to do, which means you adults can get a little time alone. And if you like to be entertained, you're going to love it here. They have lots of daytime programs, as well as nighttime shows and music. Plus, there's a bar for pretty much every personality, as well as dancing. The fun never stops. In fact, lots of people come to Cabo San Lucas for the nightlife, and Hotel Rio Santa Fe is located near all the top hotspots. But make no mistake, the Hotel Rio Santa Fe is also about relaxation. Their 902 elegant guest rooms are the perfect retreat after a day of Cabo excitement, and the views will blow you away. In many ways, this amazing resort is like an indoor-outdoor art gallery. Everywhere you look, you'll see beauty, creativity, and outstanding art. And the use of space at the property might be the best we've seen. The Santa Fe-style grounds are very inviting. The pool seems to stretch to eternity, and the beach is absolutely breathtaking. This is also the perfect resort for any type of event.
The Hotel Rio Santa Fe is ideal for larger groups, including family reunions and weddings. We host many companies in the hotel, and we have all the facilities they possibly need to have a successful gathering. And we offer many incentives for visiting groups.
Now, if you like trying different foods, you're going to love the Hotel Rio Santa Fe. The resort's restaurants serve everything from steaks to seafood, Italian to Mexican. Their main restaurant, La Baja, offers delicious California-inspired cuisine, while La Mission Poolside Restaurant serves truly authentic Mexican along with fabulous margaritas. Plus, Torote Steakhouse has some of the best grilled meats in the area, and the views are incomparable. And you'll definitely want to try the Italian delights at Caruso. Unforgettable.
We love it when people come to our resort, have the time of their lives and create memories. And the best part is, it's all inclusive.
Fun in the sun for the entire family and fabulous amenities at one all-inclusive price. We highly recommend the Hotel Rio Santa Fe in Cabo San Lucas.